Embark on a guided Shimla Nature walks and day treks with Summit Safari India, one of the best things to do in Shimla. Traverse scenic trails with knowledgeable guides, discovering hidden gems and immerse yourself in the stunning Himalayan landscapes. From leisurely nature strolls to more challenging treks, Shimla's guided day walks by Summit Safari promise unforgettable encounters with nature's wonders. Please find our details in the description of this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for informative travel videos.